How to check Valorant Store on iPhone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check your Valorant Store on your iPhone. So first, open the App Store on your iPhone. In the search bar, type in Valorant Store. You will see an app called Valorant Tracker. Tap on it and download the app. So once it's downloaded, open the Valorant Tracker app. In the app, tap on Sign in with Riot ID or register your player ID to connect to your account. After signing in, tap on the store icon at the bottom right corner of the screen to check out the Valorant store. And that's it. Now you can easily view the Valorant store right from your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips. And leave your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.